Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious bacon, egg, and cheese English muffin. First, gather your ingredients: English muffins, eggs, bacon, and your favorite cheese. Begin by cooking your bacon to your desired crispiness, then set it aside on a paper towel to drain any excess fat. While the bacon cooks, you can also start toasting your English muffins until they are perfectly golden brown. Next, it's time to prepare your eggs. You can cook them however you like, whether that's scrambled, fried, or even a quick omelet. Once your egg is nearly done, place a slice of cheese directly on top of the hot egg. This will allow the cheese to melt beautifully and become gooey. Now, assemble your sandwich by layering the crispy bacon, cheesy egg, and another slice of cheese if you wish, onto your toasted English muffin. To finish your delicious breakfast sandwich, place the other half of the toasted English muffin on top. This creates a perfect, portable meal. Serve your bacon, egg, and cheese English muffin immediately to enjoy it at its peak warmth and flavor. You can also customize your sandwich with your favorite condiments, such as a dollop of ketchup, a dash of hot sauce, or even a sprinkle of black pepper for an extra kick. And there you have it, a fantastic homemade bacon, egg, and cheese English muffin, ready in just minutes. This recipe is perfect for a quick and satisfying breakfast, whether you're heading out the door or enjoying a relaxed morning at home. It's a great way to start your day with a warm, flavorful meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.